All right, this is my unboxing video of some pizza supplies. That's a dog. Uh, it's a dog with 4 legs and a face. Now, before I get started with this unboxing, your thing that you always want to have is a good quality unboxing utensil. I use this military grade cutting knife. It's good for killing your enemies and unboxing boxes. Now, let's get started. All right. Now you always want to cut the outside tape first. These would be the outside tapes. The outside tapes before you ever cut the center tapes, because that's like unboxing offense 101. You don't want to do that. So always get the outsides. You want to do it like this. There you go. And once you have the outsides, both outside tapes, then you can proceed to cut the middle tapes. Okay, now you always want to do it nice and slow. Don't want to cut yourself. Unboxing injuries are pretty common. All right, now, okay. Oh, now before I go any further, you can see that they did not use bubble wrap. They used packing paper. Now I'll have to take this out later and measure it out and make sure they use the required amount of packing paper. There's a certain length and requirements for it, so don't want to get less packing paper than what I'm supposed to have. Okay, you can lift it out here. All right. Okay, all right. See, I got this pin. They wrapped it in a somewhat matte plastic. All right, put that off to the side right there. All right. Now you can see that there's more boxes inside. Same kind of standard box design. Now to save time, I'm going to actually unbox it within the box itself. Now, I only suggest that for professional unboxers, not an amateur. So now you always want to cut the outside tapes. Don't forget that. I mentioned it before, but you always want to get them outside tapes here and here first. Okay. All right. Then cut the center tape. Okay. All right. Good. Good. Inside here. Okay, and you're starting to see they used a cardboard outside protectant, and they actually used the appropriate green bubble wrap. I'm actually very impressed with this. I like this a lot. I like that they used a green appropriate class of bubble wrap. All right, I'll just put this to the side here. I'll probably measure the bubble count on that later. All right. As you can see, here's a product that I ordered, this Pizza Craft. Okay. Put this right next to the pen. It's a pizza stone that you can use on your grill. All right. This is just more packing material, another box, an invoice, I assume. I'll take this. I'll read this over. I'll probably narrate this later in a separate video. Yeah. And this is another box with some sort of aluminum, I assume, inside. This is a very complex box here. All right. Now, I'm just gonna cut the outside tapes. Always cut the outside tapes. There we go. Now this opens. Well, some sort of pizza puzzle. Oh, see. All right, that's good. It's good. No bubble wrap though. I know it's steel and all, but still, you got to be very protective of this stuff. They should have probably used some bubble wrap for this pizza shovel. So these are the things. I'll post some more details on them later. But this is an unboxing video. and some of the supplies that were used to box these things up. So thanks. Hopefully you don't forget to hit subscribe if you want more unboxing action and pro tips. All right.